Supreme just started their new fall-winter 2019 season, and I decided to pick up some stuff. A little bit different because I really only wanted to get the Supreme red socks. But yeah, so I wanted to pick those up, and then another reason I ordered from this drop because I think the red socks are even still like in stock, so I could have ordered it whenever. But a big reason I wanted to order from this drop is because the first drop of every season, they always do like a free accessory, and I saw they're also throwing in some like scratch off Supreme box logo stickers, which I thought were cool. So I really wanted to order it in this drop so I could get the free gift and like hopefully the scratch off sticker. So I just decided to get those red socks because I like those. I like how they look. I thought those look cool. And then I also decided to pick up a t-shirt just because I didn't really think it was worthwhile to pay like the $20 for the socks and then $10 for shipping, and then on top of that now you have the sales tax also. So I figured it wouldn't really be worth it to order something like that small of an order and then have to pay all those fees. So I picked up a t-shirt as well that I thought looked all right. Not a hyped one at all, like it didn't sell out fast or anything. But with that being said, we will unbox it and I'll show off, like I'll do a little bit of B-roll, get some details for you guys so you can see that. And then we'll come back and I'll give you guys like a little review. I'll be wearing it and stuff, so yeah.
How does it work? How do you do this to someone?
Driving shock point like I'm Isaac Clarke in dead space. 2-gram cone to my dome, now I'm dead weight. I feel fine, celebrating, popping champagne. Caught me in my zone, all alone, marijuana on my lip. Fixing for the herb, I'm packing purple till I'm stiff. Fall asleep in chairs or couches, I don't give a shit. Low sleepy boy, I'm overlooking on a cliff. This a fucking cliff now. Cliff bar sucking, cliff of the dog was an info. Break it till it fall apart, I guess you got the memo. Goodbye to my hello. I was once a shade of blue, but you turned me to yellow. My color palette is minimal, but I don't give a fuck. Flip it till it saturates, the vibrance ain't enough. Been awake for days and I'm amazed that I'm still up. Sleep is for the weak and I'm afraid of giving up. I'm afraid of giving up.
Alright, so we did the unboxing. I brought over like one of every item so I can talk about it or have like a reference of it. So we'll start off with the stickers. I did get the metallic box logo, obviously, and this is like a scratch off where, you know, I don't know, same like any lottery ticket or anything, you know, you have this metallic material, take like a coin and you can scratch it off. And it kind of sucks because it actually came with part of it like already scratched. That's previously or in previous seasons, Supreme has done it where they send the stickers in these like pre-packed pouches with their own individual wrapping. And when they package stuff like that, it usually ends up in a lot better shape. And then also previous to this, they always send 2 Supreme just regular box logo stickers, which I did not get in this order. But being the first week, it might just be different because it's so hectic. I think last season or whatever, when I did the first week order, it came like 2-3 weeks late. So next up you have the sticker for one of their storefronts. I don't know, I think that one's kind of lame. They also had a t-shirt design for this one. Well, actually that one too. And they do that pretty often where they'll take like a t-shirt design and make it into a sticker. They have this lotion one, and pretty much everybody was hating on this as a t-shirt design. I don't know if how well that's in focus, but I think this is a cool sticker. I also wouldn't really want it on a t-shirt, but I do like it as a sticker more. So the next thing we got for free was the parachute toy, and it's just one of those toy soldiers that you have the parachute, you know, you toss him and he just parachutes down. I do believe on the center of the parachute they have a Supreme box logo, the branding right there, which you can't see from here obviously, but yeah, just a little red toy soldier. I think that one's pretty cool as far as their accessories go or their free gifts. I know last season was a shower cap, which I don't know, not really feeling that. Moving on to the main reason I ordered these Supreme socks. I like this. You got the ankle branding up on the top where it just says Supreme, And then moving on the bottom, you got the Hanes, but that doesn't really matter. You know, how often are people going to be how often are people going to be seeing the bottom of your feet? And also, that's not the branding people buy it for. But yeah, I definitely like this red color. That's red's definitely my favorite color. I got a lot of it in my wardrobe, so these will go well with that. But yeah, last thing I have is the shirt I'm wearing, obviously. And I like this design. I don't think it's bad. Kind of reminds me of like an old school t-shirt, something that you'd find. But a lot of people were saying like, oh, it's kind of creepy, I guess, because you got the kid or the guy leading the kid off into the sunset. But yeah, I like it. It fits good. Not as soft as some of the other Supreme tees I have. This one's more of like a stiffer material. But yeah, that's about it. I'm happy with the purchase. You know, it didn't cost a whole lot, and I got a lot of stuff. You know, with these seasonal tees, they're pretty reasonable, although they have been going up for like the past couple of years. So I think when I got into Supreme, they were like $34, and now they're $38. The socks really weren't bad though, $20 for 4 pairs. And it's really like, you know, how many pairs of red socks am I going to wear? So those will last a long time. But yeah, I think that order was worth it. Probably some of the more reasonably priced items I've ever bought from Supreme. But yeah, if you guys did pick up anything from the week 1 drop or the upcoming week 2 drop, feel free to let me know. I'm always interested in what everybody's buying, what everybody's wearing, what everybody's interested in. But yeah, that wraps up the video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video, which will be this weekend. I got a live stream coming up, so watch that if you're interested, or don't. Thanks for stopping by.